Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a review on Logitech Ergonomic Keyboard K860. I have just purchased this recently from Amazon at $125. I will provide a link at the description box below. Keyboard connects via Bluetooth and USB as well. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac device. So now let's take a look at my first impression. Just set them up. Set this keyboard up, and I just wanted to check how it feels. Well, my first thought was it is really kind of odd because this keyboard is separated and I have to put my hand in an angle in order to type, so it is kind of difficult for me to really identify where the keyboard is because I'm a very fast typer. I don't look at the keyboard when I'm typing, so it's kind of odd for me to type using this, and I have made a mistake because I tend to move my finger much further than I'm supposed to. My thought is it is kind of awkward when you are using it for the first time. I'm not sure for those who look at the keyboard and type, they may find it very difficult as well, and as for me it is kind of difficult, but that was the first time I was using it. But the second, I was even trying to use the typing test online, and the first attempt on doing it was I wasn't getting keyboard keys right, and I was making the mistake in the beginning. And then on my second attempt, my typing skills was a lot higher than the earlier one, so I'm assuming that in time I will be able to take control of this keyboard. So in terms of ergonomic and the way my hands are placed, I really can't say whether I have any sort of different feeling. I do type a lot at my work, and yesterday I did a lot of typing and fast typing, so I'm still having some pain around my wrist area, and when I'm using this I don't feel that much difference. I'm very sure whether this comfort feeling will eventually get better, so I have to do a review about a month later maybe in order for me to really judge whether or not this expensive keyboard purchase is worth it. So this is kind of soft, and I thought this this dot thing is like a very rough surface, but it is not. It is just really soft and spongy, so it is kind of comfortable for you to place your hand and type. And I'm not sure whether over the long period of time this thing is going to fade or have some sort of wear and tear, color discoloration or something, so I have to wait and see on that. The height of this thing also can be changed, so it's right underneath here, but it's odd though that it's here, right? I guess it's okay when you are standing up and typing, so the placement of your hand is really comfortable when you are standing and typing this keyboard. As for me, I don't have standing desk, so I'm not going to use that. So in terms of the typing experience, it's okay for me because I don't have to struggle when I'm typing. Sometimes some keyboards, they have a very deep keys that you have to like press hard in order for you to be able to type, but this one I don't have that problem at all. It's kind of easy, and so I don't have to like really press hard or something, so I'm smooth and quiet. I know some of you may like the mechanical keyboard. For me, I think this is perfect because it just silence when I'm typing. I don't have much of a typing sound. So I've also noticed that on this keyboard, the command and option is the settings is the other way around. So when I press this option and C, then only I'm able to copy and paste words. So I'm still trying to figure out on the way I'm supposed to rectify this. So hopefully I will be able to find it. That's all I have on my first impression on this keyboard. If you have any questions, you can always post down at the comment box below. I will try to answer to your questions as much as possible. if you want a quick answer, you can always reach me on Instagram, which is hitandh. Do DM me your questions and I will answer there. So that's it about my video today, and do subscribe for an update on this keyboard after a month of use. So thank you and bye!